that is? Who is okay? Like, ooh, like I don't care nothing about no weight loss journey. I don't care nothing about no, well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear. I don't care. We are living in the moment and we are putting it on, baby. It's our favorite season. It's time to clock in, honey. So, my name is KayPhnae, but all my friends call me Kay. And since you're here, you might as well stay a while because it's a kiki. Now, I don't know about y'all, but fall is my favorite time of the year. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because the fashions gets to fashioning or I just don't know. I just don't know. So, if you are ready to turn into a baddie this fall season, you know, stick around because I have a fall baddie starter kit, honey. Yeah. So let's hop into it. Let's hop into my fall baddie starter kit. So for the first thing on the list, and of course I have it on my phone, but for the first thing on the list, I have a trench coat. Now, of course, everybody needs a coat, not just baby. I'm talking about a trench coat, a bad trench coat. And honestly, the only reason why I'm making this video because I've been looking up all of my stuff. So I'm like, why not tell my homegirls about, you know, what's going on too. So a bad trench coat, and I'm not saying go get no black one, go get no brown one. I mean, you can if you want to, but let's step it up. I got on Amazon, y'all, and I saw this, and I'm gonna put it up on the side. It was a brown suede trench coat. Now, I'm a person who just started building my coats last year, but when I saw that brown suede trench coat, I had to have it. Also, if you know me, you know I am a cheetah girl at heart. Honey, they also had a cheetah trench coat. Hop in. I said, oh baby, this fall, I'm putting it on. I don't care nothing about no weight loss journey. I don't care nothing about no, well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear. I don't care. We are living in the moment and we are putting it on, baby. We're putting it on. Alright, so the next thing on the list is 2 different monochromatic everyday outfits. Now, let me tell you why this is important. In the fall, you never know what you're gonna get. So, to play it on the safe side, I would go with like a short sleeve t-shirt with matching leggings or matching like yoga pants or something. Let me tell you why though, because it's just so easy to just throw on like a black t-shirt, black yoga pants, cheetah print trench coat. Boom, you look put together. Did you really do a lot of work? No, but because you got the monochromatic going on and then the fire trench coat, you see, we already in baddie mode, and we only at number 2, honey. We only at number 2. All right, number 3 is our beauty regimen. So I know a lot of people, we are a lot of a group full of DIY girls, and that's fine because I'm a DIY girly too. However, you have to have your regimen set. So even if you know that you're a person who does your own nails, or you do your own hair, or you do your own lashes, or whatever the case may be, you need to have a certain time of month that you make sure that you take care of all of that at one time. Because I don't know what it is, but when it starts to get cold outside for real, people think you go out in the summertime. Baby, the fall, everybody want to go out. They want to go to different little parties. Holiday parties are starting to come up. Little fall festivals, different festivals, outside concerts, inside, whatever, girl. People want to go out. The last thing you want to do is say, oh, dang, they want to go out, but one of my nails broke. Dang, they want to go out, but my lash is not done. Dang, they want to go out, but I don't get my hair done until next week. No, you need to have a regimen. That way you can make your plans or build your plans around when you get your stuff done. You see what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Listen, because when it's the week for me to go get all my stuff done, I'm not going out. I'm sorry. I'll see y'all. I can't. What's that? I can't. I'm sick. Yes, I am. I'm sick and tired. Sick and tired of looking the way I'm looking. So you can't see me until next week because that's when I'm going. That's when I'm going to get beautified, you know? Okay. So make sure you have that. And again, if you are a DIY girl, you do it yourself, that's perfectly fine. But still, make sure that you have that. Number 4 on our list is a signature fragrance. That's big. Now, yes, fall is when you start putting the pieces on, putting the clothes on, doing your big one. But it's also when you start to, I don't know what it is about fall, but it's giving it just a little bit intimate. That's when all the spicy date nights are happening. You know, like if you're a single person, that's when you finna start, you know, seeing what's going on out here in these streets. And if you are a engaged person like me or taken already, that's when you really getting into it. Like, we're going ice skating, we're going to the movies, we're going to try all this extra stuff. You got to smell good. And granted, I am a girl who likes to try all the different fragrances, but I also know what I like. And even though I try different stuff, I know that deep down I'm a vanilla girl. I'm a vanilla, what is it called, gourmand, like that type of scent. So like right now, my favorites are the Billie Eilish, the one in the gold bottle, not that silver one, I don't like that, but the Billie Eilish one, and the Forever Mood, She Was Here. I tried the other Forever Moods. I got it in a little discovery kit. They were good, but the She Was Here, the one that just dropped, spectacular. They made 14 of them. Actually, I need to go back and buy another one before it runs out. But yes, you need to have your own signature fragrance. You want to be able to walk past people and they like, dang, what that is? Who is okay? Like, ooh, like you just gotta have that. Me personally, I like that vanilla because I like to smell like edible. Ooh, edible. And pro tip, if you're a vanilla girl too, I tried the Fenty Skin, the salted caramel body butter. I put that on, and then I put the She Was Here on top of it. Chef's kiss, honey. Chef's kiss. So if you like it, you should try those two together. The next one is a good thigh high boot. Now listen, for the big calf girlies like me, the thick thigh girlies like me, it's hard to find a good thigh high boot. It is hard. It is hard. I know you gotta look everywhere to try to find it, but hear me out. When you find one, snatch it up. As a matter of fact, you need to listen. You need to be looking, and that's why I'm trying to get this video out for y'all. Cause see, I'm already looking. You need to be looking right now for a good thigh high boot. Cause we all know when you try to go get the boots in September, baby, they is gone. And if they're not gone, they cost you $500. Who got $500? Well, some people may. But who wants to spend $500 on one pair of boots? Not me. Not me. Not me. Yeah. So go ahead and start looking for your boots now. Right now. And just like the trench coat, it don't even matter about the color. It don't matter. Because the thigh high is gonna give what it's supposed to give. Now, to be on the safe side, I would probably do a black or a brown pair if you just starting out. But I mean, if you're jumping out the porch, go get you a print. A print is always gonna take it. Not only is it thigh high, but it got a little print on it. Yeah, that's giving Baddie. You get what I'm saying? It's giving Baddie. Alrighty, and then our last little piece of our fall Baddie starter kit. Now, it's last, but it's mighty, honey. It is gonna be your makeup routine with your bold lip. Now, the summertime is for the cute little glosses and the nude lips and all that stuff. Fall, that's when the bold lip girl shines, honey. That's when they shine. You gotta find you a good bold lip. And I'm not saying just try one. Cause me, I'm gonna try them all. It depends on what I got on. It depends on how I feel. I'm gonna try them all. But these are the 3 that you need. You need you a good brown. And I'm talking about a chocolate brown. Don't play with the nudes. We're not playing with the nudes. Not in the fall. Chocolate brown. You need you a good red. Now, with the reds, you can kind of play around with the red. You can do like the deep burgundy, or you can do like a, like a boss lady red. Something like that. And then you need you a purple. Hear me out. Hear me out. I know that purple is giving 2016. I'm not talking about MAC heroin. I know y'all know what MAC heroin is, because if you know what MAC heroin is, then that means you was that girl in 2016. But I'm not talking about that. It don't have to give like bright purple, but that deep plum like purple, you need that. So you gotta come up with a good base. Now, I'm not an eyeshadow girl for real, unless I'm going somewhere where I need to be extra dressed up. So I don't really do, I just put a little bronzer in my eyes. Don't really matter to me. But a good base, if you're gonna do eyeshadow, do some smoky eyeshadow, baby, in a bold lip. It's fall. It is fall. Step it up. Because let me tell you something, the girlies do not play in fall. They do not play at all. They don't play. I'm talking about as soon as a little wind hit the back of your neck, baby, the trench coats is to the floor. The boots are to the middle of the thigh. They are ready. They got on mock necks and gold chains. They are not playing. So you got to get ready, baby. You got to get ready. And see, I'm already on my Zoom. I'm already on my Amazon trying to figure it out. Because this our year. I feel like this, I know this is my year. And if you're on this video, this your year too. This our year, baby. It's the fall and we putting it on. So, if you like the tips and you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, comment, and then subscribe, honey, because it is a key over here. And then down in the comments, let me know if you have some other tips that you bring into the fall, honey, because we gonna all be back together. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.